Hey people, just a quick follow-up. There was a dispute under the warrant for the warranty with Samsung that took. I launched with my credit card company. Credit card companies wrote back to say that there hasn't been a breach of contract, so I've rang him and had a quick chat with the dispute team. Mr. P, the mystery guy, was been very sort of sided with Samsung, and although that I've given him the screenshot, the warranty information for 5 years and so on and so forth, he still feels that there isn't a breach of contract. So the claim has been escalated to the complaints now. He was asking all sorts of silly questions. Oh, I haven't provided an invoice. The invoice needs to state a 5-year warranty, and so on and so forth. Well, Samsung hasn't emailed me an invoice because it's all bought from Samsung's. It's all on the account. You log in and you can see your order details. So, and then he goes, oh well, if we process the refund, we'll have to take the machine away from you, and then we'll process the refund. You'll be left without a machine. So I said, well, by all means, you want to do that, let's do it. So then he quickly changed into some, conversation, into a different conversation. And so anyway, the long story short is I'm not going to go into too much onto that. But the main reason why I'm doing this upload is have a look at this. See all this? The description. See all this? Let me show you something. This is the revised version of the website. Yeah, and anybody can spot anything. Let's go all the way down. Some of you might think, oh, you're missing out. Yeah, that's there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, 20 years warranty. Scroll towards the side. Expand all. And it goes down to the reviews. Well, I'm sure you've picked it up by now. The entire description, what we have on the website, have been removed totally. I cannot see anything here. View more. Let's have a look. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So this description that was there about a month ago has been totally taken off. And the warranty information that the description shows here is not showing anywhere on that particular page, apart from the very last picture. And guess what? It says by redemption 90 days. How come this isn't on the main website? When I say on the actual, beside it being the very last picture, which very unlikely many people will be looking at, it's not anywhere. Nothing. So the point is this, that just be mindful. These manufacturers are pulling strings, selling stuffs with misrepresentation. We live and learn, and I've learned something new. I've been in the IT trade since early 2000. So it's been nearly 25 years I've been in the trade. But this is something that's new for me. And I hope that this video helps people. Be mindful when you're buying stuff from the manufacturer's website. You still have to register with them, even if you bought something off them, to qualify for the extended warranty. But we'll see what the outcome is from the complaints department. I will keep you updated. It's not about £400, £500. It's not about the money at this moment in time. It's about moral. What's right and wrong. And if somebody's pulled a string, such as Samsung, as big as they are, obviously the issue needs to be addressed. Because I live by rules. And when I say I live by rules, is I don't let anybody walk away with how little or small the issue is, but doing something wrong. Okay, I don't care. I will put them in their place. I will raise issues, and I will take it as far as I can to try and get results. So it's a dog eat dog world at the moment, and anybody that trusts corporation thinks, oh, they're doing things for our benefit or our well-being, or No, 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 no. Cooperation means one thing and one thing only: financial gain. Money matters. That's the reality of the world at this moment in time. It's money, power, and control. Greed is taking over the world, and this is why the world is a beautiful place, but it's the injustice of humans, that's leading to the way things are. But anyway, guys, I won't waffle on for too long. Look after yourself, all the best, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Peace.